Good day, everyone. We are now in illustrating and simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Our objective is to illustrate rational algebraic expressions and to simplify rational algebraic expressions. Rational algebraic expressions is a quotient of two polynomials provided that the denominator is not equal to 0. In symbols, we have P over Q, where P and Q are polynomials and Q is not equal to 0. Identify whether each of the following is a rational algebraic expression or not. Example number 1. K plus 2 over 0. So this is not a rational algebraic expression because the denominator is 0. So sabi sa definition kanina na kailangan hindi equal sa 0 yung denominator. Next. Z plus 2 over Z minus 2. This is a rational algebraic expression because P and Q are polynomial. So, yung P natin, that is the numerator. Yung Q natin, that is the denominator. Next. C over A minus 2. This is also a rational algebraic expression because P and Q are polynomials. Next. R raised to 5 over B minus B. This is not a rational algebraic expression because B minus B is equal to 0. Okay? So, naging 0 na yung denominator natin. Therefore, not rational algebraic expression na. Next. R minus 6 over the square root of 7. This is not a rational algebraic expression because the denominator contains radical sign. Q is not a polynomial. So, nagkaroon tayo ng radical sign sa denominator natin. Ibig sabihin, ang denominator natin ay hindi polynomial. Next, X plus Y. This is a rational algebraic expression since it does not have any denominator. It only means that the denominator is 1. 1 is a constant polynomial. Okay? So, whole number, parang ganon. Diba? Ang whole number, over 1 yun. For example, 5. That is equal to 5 over 1. Okay? Next. Let us now simplify rational algebraic expressions. But before that, recall muna natin paano nga ba mag-simplify ng fractions. So, given natin 12 over 20, okay? So, kuhanin natin yung factors ng 12. So, that is 12 times 1, 6 times 2, 4 times 3. Okay? How about 20? Kuhanin natin yung lahat ng possible factors ng 20. That is 20 times 1, 10 times 2, and 5 times 4. Then, kuhanin natin yung factors na GCF nila. Okay? Kuhanin natin yung GCF nila. Ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung may pinakamataas na factors na common sa kanilang dalawa. So, since pareho silang 1, may common sa kanila 1. Tama? Pero may mas mataas pa doon, kukunin natin yon. Tulad nito, 4 times 3 and 5 times 4. So, ang common sa kanila is 4. Okay? So, therefore, ang gagamitin nating factors ay 4 times 3 and 5 times 4. So, 12 over 20, that is equal to 4 times 3 over 4 times 5. So, cancel out natin yung 4 kasi 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then, ang final answer natin is 3 over 5. Next example. 4W plus 8E over 12. So again, kuhanin natin ang GCF ng ating numerator. So 4W plus 8E, ang GCF nila is 4. Tama? So, kasi ang 4W at 8E, divisible sila by 4. Next. So, ito yung GCF natin. So, 4W divided by 4, that is W. 8E divided by 4, that is positive 2E. So, eto ngayon yon. How about sa denominator? So, kunin din natin yung possible factors ng 12. That is 12 times 1, 6 times 2, and 4 times 3. Okay? So, kuhanin natin ngayon yung mayroon tayong maka-cancel out sa numerator. So, since ang numerator natin ay may 4, kuhanin natin factors dito, yung may 4 din. So, that is 4 times 3. Ito ngayon yon. Then, cancel out natin ngayon yung 4 kasi 4 divided by 4 is 1. Kaya tayo nagka-cancel out para ma-simplify natin yung given natin. Then, ang final answer natin ngayon is W plus 2E over 3. Next example. 15b cubed h squared e raised to 5 over 12bh raised to 4 e raised to 5. I-factor natin ngayon yung number, ito yung 15 and 12. Okay? So, yung factors natin, iisip tayo ng factors nila na meron tayong maka-cancel out. So, ang pwede dyan is 3 times 5 or 5 times 3 and 3 times 4 or 4 times 3. Pwede yon. Next. Pagdating sa variable and its exponent, magsusubtract tayo. Since division to, loss of exponent, division of law of exponent ang gagawin natin, magsusubtract tayo. So, b cube is b, ito, 3 minus 1. Ito yan. b raised to 3 minus 1. Saan galing yung 1 na to? Dito po yan sa exponent natin sa denominator kasi merong 1 doon. Okay? Next. H natin. 4 minus 2. Bakit kaya sa ilalim nakalagay o sa denominator nakalagay? Kasi para mas mabilis nating masimplify ang ating given, kung nasaan ang mas mataas na exponent, doon natin ilalagay yung given natin or yung sinisimplify natin. So, since nasa denominator siya, ilagay natin sa denominator. That is h raised to 4 minus 2. Ito yun. Then, we have e raised to 5 minus 5. Then, simplify na natin. So, cancel out natin yung 3. Okay? So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then, ang final answer natin ngayon is 5b squared over 4h squared. Paano nangyari yon? So, ito yung 5 natin. Nire-write natin yan. Then, yung b natin, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, yun yung exponent natin. Bakit nawala itong e? Kasi 5 minus 5 is 0. So, using laws of exponent, any number, any variable raised to 0, the answer is 1. Positive 1. Okay po, so kaala na yun. Next, denominator natin. Copy natin siya, 4. Then we have h. 4 minus 2 is 2. Kaya naging final answer natin is 5b squared over 4h squared. Another example. M squared plus 3m plus 2 over m squared minus 1. So, napansin natin na ang numerator natin ay trinomial. So, kailangan natin gamitin ang factoring general trinomial. So, kailangan kuhanin muna natin yung factors ng last term natin, which is 2. Na ang sum nila ay 3, positive 3. So, 2 times 1, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. So, therefore, ang factors natin is 2 times 1. So, ang factor natin sa ating numerator is m plus 2 times the quantity m plus 1. Yan. Next, denominator. So, ang denominator natin is difference, is an example of difference of two squares. So, gagawa ng dalawang parentheses. Tapos, magkaiba yung sign. That is m times m, 1 times 1, then yung sign natin, isang positive, isang negative. Then after nyan, tignan natin kung meron bang maka-cancel out. So, cancel out natin yung m plus 1 sa numerator at m plus 1 sa denominator. So, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-cancel out ng parehong nasa numerator or parehong nasa denominator. Kailangan, isang nasa numerator, isang nasa denominator. Then, ano yung natira natin? So, that is m plus 2 over m minus 1. Yun yung final answer natin. Next example. X minus 7 over x squared minus 14x plus 49. So, yung numerator natin, naka-simplest form na yan. So, ang gagawin natin, rewrite lang natin. Then, yung denominator natin is an example of perfect square trinomial. Tama ba? Kasi ang first term natin and last term are perfect square. And ang middle term natin is twice the square root of the first and the last term. So, using perfect square trinomial, ito yung factors natin. That is x minus 7 times the quantity x minus 7 or the squared of the quantity x minus 7. So, ito po yun. So, ginamit natin to para mas madali nating ma-cancel out. Makita yung ika-cancel out natin. Then, cancel out natin ngayon yung x minus 7 sa numerator saka isang x minus 7 sa denominator. Ano na lang natira sa numerator? So, since x minus 7 divided by x minus 7 that is equal to 1, ang numerator natin ngayon is 1 over the remaining factor sa denominator natin which is x minus 7. Next, let us simplify the squared of x plus 2 over x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay? So, yung numerator natin, in-expand lang ni ma'am ng x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 2 para mas madaling makita. Pero the same lang yun as squared of x plus 2. Then, ang denominator natin is x squared plus 4x plus 4. O, that is PST, okay? So, yung PST natin, gagawa ng parenthesis, maglalagay ng squared sa taas, then kakopy yung sign ng middle term after nating makuha yung square root ng first and the last term. So, that is square root ng x squared, that is x, square root ng 4 is 2, kopyahin natin yung sign ng middle term that is positive. Next, cancel out natin ngayon yung numerator natin and denominator kasi parehong-pareho sila. Okay? So, ano yung magiging final answer natin? Ang final answer natin ngayon ay 1. Okay? So, hindi wala, hindi 0. Meron yun, 1. Kasi 5, example, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 10 is 10. The same with this. The squared of x plus 2 divided by the squared of x plus 2, that is also equal to 1. Last example, 4x squared plus 7x minus 2 over 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Okay? So, yung numerator natin sa denominator natin parehong trinomial. Pareho silang general trinomial. So, ang gagawin natin is using trial and error method. Okay po? So, ililista muna natin yung mga possible factors na pwede nating gamitin. So, dito sa ating numerator, we have 4x plus 2, x minus 1, 4x plus 2, x plus 1, 4x plus 1, x minus 2, 4x minus 1, x plus 2, 2x plus 2 times 2x minus 1, 2x minus 2 times 2x plus 1. Tandaan na sa trial and error, hanggat hindi nakukuha yung sagot, hindi ka hihinto. Pero kapag nakuha mo na yung tamang factors, stop ka na. Huwag ka na magtuloy pang magsagot dun sa ibang factors. Okay? Check natin. So, 2 times x that is 2x, 4x times negative 1, that is negative 4x. Pag pinag-combine natin sila, magkaiba ng sign, subtraction, ang sagot natin is negative 2x. Hindi yan ang tamang factor. Proceed tayo sa susunod. We have negative 2x, positive 4x. Ang answer natin is positive 2x. Hindi pa rin yan ang tamang factor. Tuloy lang natin, okay? Next, 1x and negative 8x, that is negative 7x. Okay? Ang middle term natin is positive 7. Positive 7x. So, hindi pa rin ito ang tamang factors. Next, negative 1x saka 8x, pag pinag-combine natin sila, positive 7x. Ano ba yung middle term natin? Positive 7x. So, diyan natin nakuha yung ating tamang factors, stop na tayo. Wag na nating sagutan pa yung susunod pa na factors, okay? So, ito ngayon yung gagamitin nating factors sa ating numerator. That is, quantity 4x minus 1 times the quantity x plus 2. Next natin yung denominator. Trial and error method ulit ang gagamitin natin. So, 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. So, maglilista na tayo. That is 2x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 1 and 2x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 2. Okay po? Check natin kung alin dyan. So, 2 times x is 2x. 2x times 1 is 2x. 2 times 2 is 4x. So, mali yun. Then we have 1x. 1 times x is 1x. 2x times 2 is 4x. 1 plus 4 is 5x. Tama sa ating middle term. So, therefore, ito yung gagamitin nating factor sa ating denominator. That is 2x plus 1 times the quantity x plus 2. Then, proceed na tayo sa ating simplifying rational expressions. So, cancel out natin ngayon yung magkapareho sa kanila. Okay? X plus 2 saka x plus 2, ika-cancel out natin. Then, ang final answer natin, yung remaining factors, which is 4x minus 1 over 2x plus 1. Thanks for watching. Happy learning, everyone. I am Ma'am Rovi. Keep safe and God bless.